What's up guys, welcome to Science and Knowledge. Shehbaz here. Today we have latest leaks about LG's future flagship smartphone. Yes, LG will show the newest flagship in February, but it will not be G9 ThinQ. It will be LG V60 ThinQ 5G. Sources say that LG is preparing to introduce a new flagship smartphone with 5G. One would think that it will be G9 ThinQ, however, it will be a completely different smartphone. The source claims that we are talking about a device with two screens, V60 ThinQ. Here are the phone specifications based on latest rumors and leaks. With front back gloss and aluminum frame, IP68 dust waterproof. Featured MIL STD 810G, P OLED touchscreen, .5 dual screen display and 120Hz touch sensing. Resolution 1440 by 3120 pixels and 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio. Protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6. Featured Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus and always on display. Operating system Android 11. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor and Adreno latest version. A 12GB of RAM and 256 512GB of flash memory. Quad rear camera, LED flash. Dual front camera. .5mm audio jack and USB 3.1 Type-C. In-display fingerprint scanner. Fast battery charging 25 watts and QI fast wireless charging 15 watts. The battery capacity is 5000 mAh. LG V60 ThinQ 5G, upcoming dual screen smartphone 2020.